This is me closing the door on the controller. I put it in active track mode. You warming up, I haven't ran it so long. I need to test out this active track. Alright, so I get my little stretch on here. Look around, I'm like, okay, let's go. I don't want to hurt my back, so keeping a slow pace. A lot of things on my mind. They burned down some things in this park. It was a peaceful protest, and I guess after that night, they must have burned down something in this park. But I don't even know. It's a touchy subject. There's a lot of see that guy? He was like, what the heck? Yeah, that light pole. He's just following me. Back to this. I'm sorry. See, I feel so distracted by current events. But these are the things that's probably going through my head. I'm jogging. As you notice, I'm not even really looking at the drone. I might do some turn around, like run backwards, jogging, and get a little glance of it, but showing full confidence in this drone. No controller, keep in mind. I passed another guy. And I got the drone behind me thinking like, man, I hope this drone. See that? See how close it was? That was crazy. That was crazy. And I thought that, looking at this footage, I'm like, I don't know if this is my last series of me doing this. It was so close. That active track 3.0 is bad. It is nice, rather. Bad in a good way. So, I'm like, okay, I hear it behind me. Usually when I jog, oh, look at that. I don't know what it was doing with this. Okay. Usually when I'm jogging, I'm listening to music. I'm listening to like the light buzzing of this behind me. Because I'm being honest with you, I can hear it at least. And if something was to go down, I can hear it. Because it's right, it's not loud, but it's not. You can hear it, But anyway, yeah, I think it's a dope technology. That was close. I see it. I'm like, okay, it's catching up. I don't see it doing all of this craziness just to keep up with me. It looked kind of dope. But I'm steady jogging. I'm like, okay. No music, just the sound of this buzzing. Thinking about the future and the possibilities, and is this how the future is going to be? The ultimate social distance. You can actually just see the person that you want to see. Yeah, I'm trying to get my speed on, seeing if I could lose it. It's catching up, obviously, because this thing can go about, I think, 40 miles per hour, if I'm not mistaken. 39 or something like that. Yeah. This is the crazy part. Check this out. So the drone was like, which way? Sees them. Oh, wow. Did you guys see that? That was crazy. That was awesome. And I didn't see it. It was like that was the end of my career. Oh man. Keep in mind, I have no controller. I'm just going. And it's so faithful. It's so loyal. If I had saw that, I probably wouldn't have did this experiment. But I guess somebody had to do it. So I'm running. It's a little jog. But back to all seriousness, somebody vandalized this. It was like a demonstration for George Floyd and police brutality across the nation on Black African American men, women, and children. Rest in peace, George Floyd. It's crazy because I got a brother, his name is George. But like, this guy, he didn't see it, it just buzzed over his head. Yeah. He buzzed right over his head. I felt something rattling. I'm like, is this my shoe? It's my shoelace. Oh, this guy behind me like, what the heck is going on? What is following this guy? So, I'm running. I didn't look back to even see if it just paused. It just really never lost tracking, man. The remote was way across the park. So, yeah, I'm just running at this point. And the funny thing comes, and there's a guy, I think, if he's coming up, there's a guy, yeah. He sees me, I give him the head nod, he doesn't see the thing. Thing sees him, but oh man, look at this. Sorry. Oh man, that was crazy. So I'm just running, doing my experiment. Yeah, that's me. And it's time for me to check in. I gotta check the battery status. I gotta see where this thing is at. So, I look at my watch, see how much I ran. I'm like, I'm shy. But I still want to check the battery level. I need to, matter of fact, yeah. With the key in my pocket. I looked in there and seen the battery thing was good through the window. It was I think at 64 at this point. It was 64 or something like 67. My God, so I'm just gonna do this last one, and I'm gonna get up out of there. It's still behind me. No interruptions. It was loyal this day. A quick story before I forget. So at the end of this, I bring it down, and I usually do like a scout of the area when I work out with the drone, but I record it. I say like a visual, and I'll edit it and put it in the footage. Right when I thought I was going to do that idea, it was like these dark clouds. I'm like, well, I could probably get it up, get some good footage of these clouds. It would be nice. These clouds was crazy. People were showing me in the area I'm not being able to. Same pictures, but I missed it. Great opportunity. Because as soon as I put it in the air, raindrops were sort of like coming down. So I pulled out the sky. Few raindrops, some like drizzles, I believe, like drizzles. But I got out the sky, put it away. But yeah, man, she did outstanding today. This bird, she was faithful. It's like some wicked technology in this. Look how nice it looks. It just looks like a movie. It looks like a movie, man. And I'm just styling on them. But I'm like, I gotta get this bird out the sky. I think when I came around this, what was it? This bend over here, I was like breathing a little bit and I felt wet. I don't know, like if I was running fast enough I don't know if it was spit or I'm just being honest. If it was rain, a raindrop. So I was just like matching the clouds, that had to be a raindrop. But it was like one of those warning ones. I was like, okay. But the clouds were like far enough away though. But I'm like, let me keep pushing it. So kept pushing it. But like I pointed out, I felt that raindrop, which I now know was a raindrop. And I was like, all right, let me try to get down there. But look at this thing. It's on me. I wonder if I ran through like the trees real crazy. It probably would really track me. But she tracked me the whole time, and I cut real quick. Cut. That was kind of tight. That was a tight cut. That was probably like a little bit shy of what I needed. But, oh man, it was the best decision I ever made, I promise you. I promise you. So I get in the car. I'll grab something to drink first, because, I was thirsty. She's just faithful. She's just like, right there, mad loyal. This is all the footage right here. So you don't think I'm just like making this up. I had no controller. She was like Christine. That's me with the controller.